Glutton is on a mission to make your towns and cities cleaner and safer. The Glutton vacuum cleaner has been revolutionizing urban cleaning since 1995. Starting the day with Glutton is quick and easy. A push on the control is all it takes. For user comfort, there's an ultra-lightweight carbon fiber pipe and a height-adjustable ergonomic handle. It's self-propelled and moves at the operator's pace, cleaning waste along the way. Glutton handles all kinds of waste with its flexible nozzle shoe and pipe. It squeezes into the smallest gaps. Piles of waste are removed in seconds. Crushed cans, cigarettes, plastic. The powerful suction can handle everything. There's no escape for cigarette ends and the most stubborn litter. Even glass bottles. Various wheels are available depending on the surface and the user's preferences. The Glutton can easily move around in crowded places. It's 100% electric, silent, and compact, so it fits right in. The medium pressure washer keeps your urban furniture clean and tidy. It removes dirt, cleans, and disinfects in a single action. Even dog waste, the ultimate urban hygiene challenge, is vacuumed and cleaned straight away. The automatic fire extinguisher is an essential safety feature. It activates if a fire starts in the container. The Glutton and its operator have become part of the urban scene, striking a chord with the public. Cleaning the streets with the Glutton is child's play. It's very easy to maneuver, and obstacles are no problem, even curbs. Forward, reverse, tight turns, there's nothing it can't do. To keep the public safe, there's a warning sound when the machine is put into reverse. Glutton engineers are constantly looking for new ways to deliver cleanliness and well-being in urban centers. So they created a Glutton, which is 100% electric and ecological. The Glutton keeps going all day long without losing suction power, thanks to its 48-volt battery. As it cleans the streets, the vacuum cleaner doesn't release any dust or emit pollution. Its ultra-high-performance dust filtration system means the air coming out is cleaner than the air we breathe. Overflowing litter bins? No worries. The bin emptying kit makes it easy to dispose of full bags and other unusual items. Not everyone the Glutton encounters has good intentions, so the integrated kill switch protects it against theft. When it comes to maintenance, Glutton engineers have thought of everything. The urban cleaning team removes the filter and places it in the filter cleaner for 100% automatic cleaning. In just 5 minutes, the filter is clean again. Day and night, the Glutton H2O keeps working hard to keep your city clean. The Glutton is produced at a high-performance and eco-friendly facility. Glutton is a world leader, tirelessly investing in research and development. Innovation is in its DNA. The Glutton Academy regularly organizes training sessions covering maintenance and use, so you always get the best out of your Glutton. Glutton is transformative in terms of quality of life, operating comfort, and the image of urban cleaning teams. Partnered with 8,000 urban centers in 80 countries across 5 continents, Glutton is the perfect way to make cities clean, safe, and pleasant places to be.